AS parallel to angle BT. This line is equal to this. AS parallel to BT. Given the question, angle 4 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. But BS line is bisect the angle AAST. AST angle is bisect to the BS line. BS line angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Given the question. But with AS line or BT or parallel line, this angle is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 5 or alternative angles are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5 or alternative angles. Alternative angles both are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. But angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle 4 is equal to angle 5 is equal to x. Okay, angle 2 is equal to angle 5, but angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 4 is equal to angle 5. All angles are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 5 is equal to x. But triangle BST, exterior angle RST is equal to exterior angle RST, exterior angle RSB, exterior angle RSB is equal to interior sum of two interior angles. Sum of two interior angles is equal to SBT plus STB. RSB is equal to how much is there? RSB is equal to angle 1, angle 2. RSB lo angle 1 plus angle 2. SBT is equal to how much? SBT is equal to angle 5. STB is equal to angle 4. But angle 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to x is there. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to x. Angle 2 is equal to x. Angle 5 is equal to x. Angle 4 is equal to x. Angle 1 plus x is equal to 2x. X plus x is equal to 2x. Angle 1 is equal to 2x minus x is equal to x. Angle 1 is equal to x. But angle 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to how much is there? Angle 3 plus triangle BST, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. But angle 3 is equal to x, angle 4 is equal to x, angle 5 is equal to x is equal to 180. X plus is equal to 3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 3. 3 1 ja 360 ja. X is equal to 60 degrees. But angle 1 is equal to what is that? X. X is equal to what is that? 60 degrees. But angle 1 is equal to 60 degrees is the answer final.